Hey guys, Pai here. Welcome back to the channel. Super exciting day tomorrow because I'm going to 2022 Sema show in Las Vegas. So for those of you who don't know what Sema show is a trade show for aftermarket parts for cars, off-road, race car, street car, any vehicles you can imagine. This is the biggest show in the country. Only happen once a year, usually in Las Vegas. So the last time I was at Sema show was 2019, just right before the pandemic. So it's been already 3 years. Last time I was there, I didn't see that many EV car parts or EV cars were being shown at Sema. So hopefully in the past 3 years things change, and hopefully we'll see a lot more EV stuff. This will be a fun, exciting show. We'll see you in Las Vegas tomorrow. Let's go. All right, welcome to Sema show. Let's go inside. So this company, they offer the new lightings for a lot of cars, including Tesla Model 3. Looks really cool though. Wow. That's their new design of the front headlights for the Model 3. They even did the front headlight for Mustang. So it has this dancing LED lights. I'm sure like you can program it, like when you turn on, or unlock the car, then it does the dancing light. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's a Ford Lightning with really cool color combinations, that blue and gold. So nice interior. I found this Rivian R1S on the outside of Sema show. Got some Rhino, the black Rhino wheels on it. Looks pretty cool. With the tent on the top, and then towing some cool looking electric bike in the back here. There's actually a solar panel on the top of the camper right there too. Pretty cool. And just right next to it is a R1T, of course. Rivian R1T with the camper on the top. Same wheels, I believe. Black Rhino wheels. With a generator in the back here and the solar panel. Wow, that's a cool setup. Another Rivian here. First thing you see when you walk in. Really cool set of wheels and tires on it. Check out this Lexus Electrified Sport. So this is a concept car. Really cool design. Sorry. Has a cool front end. It's like coupe style. Really cool concept car. Remind me a lot of a Supra. See the shape? Check out the rear.
They have like small production.
So I found out an interesting booth and of course interesting car, the new DeLorean. Let's go check it out.
It's expensive. Like
So this is fully electric DeLorean. Beautiful. It's really cool wheels. It's arrow wheels. Interesting design. Has that fastback look to it, to the rear end. But it's 2 doors though. Really futuristic rear end and the tail lights. That's a headlight. I think it's really modern and new design that they took on this new DeLorean, but I was hoping they would take more of the original DeLorean from DMC to this new fully electric car. Let's go check out that new Dodge fully electric muscle car. Here you go. Yeah, it's crazy. They display the car with a slick tire on it. Let's check out the rear end. That is really cool tail light. That, you know, I love how integrated the tail light in the design, and then keep the whole old silhouette of the Challenger into this modern electric, fully electric muscle car. Oh, I see something really cool. So it's like see the headlights closely? That's like an air duct there. It'll go up over the hood and then up there. So that would be a huge benefit on the aerodynamic of this new Dodge electric car. Awesome. Awesome looking car. In person, much better than the picture for sure. Let's get a little peek of the interior. See if I can get it in the camera. See that light strips on the front of the car? Ah, it's so cool. As you can see the rear seat, it has an individual bucket seat for the rear passenger. I'm sure you can see from here. Here outside with Toyota's booth. First thing I see is this crazy Tesla Model S with a crazy body kit on it.
That's what we wanted to have anyway, right?
That's a cool body kit. And Very different. Let's go check out the back. And look at that rear diffuser. So I finally found the big part of the Sema show here in North Hall, I believe. So this part, it's all about electric conversion and everything EV. As you can see here, they're selling the electric conversion kit with the battery and electric motor. It's a lot of cool classic car with electric conversions like this one. Full-on battery in the front. Probably more battery in the back. Yeah, small battery in the back. Electrolyte. That's really cool. As well as these car right here, they're all EV conversion from Porsche to Camaro. And even Mustang over there. That is cool. Mustang logo. Let me see if I can get it back. Right here. That is really cool logo. Tesla with the Mustang in the front. So big old battery in the back. Have some EV charging solutions here. And also here with the Electron I recently installed in my house. Very cool. It's electric conversion BRC. It's a full-on race car here with the digital cockpit. And Model 3 drift car. Interesting front end. That is Model 3. Awesome looking Ford lighting. Really cool tent setup. Interesting wheels though. Wow, that's probably one of the cleanest truck conversion I have seen. It's definitely a Tesla motor in there. Really clean, really clean. Check out the interior. Beautiful interior. I was hoping for more stuff for EV at SEMA show. Didn't see that as many as I would expected, but it was fun, and finally found this big section of EV. But I didn't see a lot of EV booth individually outside. Yeah, it was a great show, a lot of cars to see, and yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you on the next video.